everyone, today we are going to be playing a new game which is called Teardown. I've gone into this game pretty blindly, so it's a new experience for both you and me. So we're going to start with the campaign, and let's see what we have. Oh. Was I supposed to do that? Alright, well I can walk on here. I think I need to go downstairs. Where's a little computer? Ooh, alright. Yes, so an old building problem. This just came in. Wait, no, sorry. This just came in. Sounds kind of fishy, but we need the money. You up for it? Good evening. My name is Gordon Wu, General Manager at the Evertides Mall. I have a slight problem with an old building that's blocking our plans for a new wing, and I need someone to knock it over. I need it gone by tomorrow, and I'd be even willing to pay more than the standing rate for some extra discretion, quick execution, and uncomfortable working hours. Would you be able to take care of it? Alright. The old building problem. Replay. I've played this one, but for the sake of content, I'll be playing this. So this is my van. Okay, that is still my van. And that's the old building that I need to demolish. You have tools like the spray can for like graffiti. I don't know what it's useful for. Sledgehammer. So you can do that. And then there's the extinguisher to put out fires. It's pointing me to this. High explosive propane tank. Throw object. Huh. Yeah, I think I can work with this. Hold on. Throw it up here. Ow. Okay, no, that hurt. This feels so wrong, but it's so satisfying. I mean, just look at that. Time to extinguish the fires. Oh, the fires are a bit overwhelming. Come on, where's the other fire? Alright, there we go. They all out. How many fires? Genuinely. There's more? Alright, I think that's it. Wait, there's some vehicles over here. Hold on. Wait, could I? Oh, okay, so there's more high explosives over there, but could I just... Don't mind me, fellow neighbors. This'll be fun. Whoa! This is cool. Oh, no, sorry, happiness. Oh, no, okay. The entire tree could just collapse on me. Alright, time to bulldoze this house. Oh my gosh, this game is so loud. I'm gonna turn the audio down. I'm hoping you guys can hear it alright though. Alright, coming in for another run. I'm gonna destroy this car before I destroy the house. I'm not saying something. That feels good. Well, I'm being driven invisible. I'm an invisible driver. That's funny. Alright, so it's 5.2 meters tall. Let's switch up the vehicle. Just gonna wait. Could I just like... Oh, I want to attach it to this thing somehow. Could I like... Yeah, make it like a scooper like thing. Just place it in there somehow. No way. Wait, and then could I? Yeah! Oh no. Yeah, I'm just gonna ignore that and just start excavating. I'm the local person who builds stuff. Builder. I am the local builder. I have been instructed to take down this house pretty brutally. Just gonna go through the rubble real quick. Oh no, the car's being dragged on something. What's going on? Oh no. It's not good. Wait, shovel. Oh no, the shovel is that thing. Break. Alright. Pretty standard things. Just gonna destroy this tree here. Smack. I'm just gonna smack it down. I'm guessing I need the high explosives for the brick because it's not being destroyed. Here we go. This is gonna be fun. So close. Alright. One more. Like maybe two actually. Alright, the scoop on that one's down. Oh, this will be fun. Wait. And then I can just run over it with the other truck. Perfect. Alright. Ow, ow. Okay, yep, that works. Just gonna scoop this house down. Yep. Just don't mind me. Just slowly but surely destroying this house. Just gonna do that for the sake of it. Alright. Now it's time for this little truck. This truck seems like the most powerful out of all of them. I'm excited to just run this down. Alright. Come on. It's not that hard. Whoa. This is fun. Demolition complete, not until it's completely vaporized. No, thank you. Wait, get to the escape vehicle. Wait. Oh, I probably gotta go then. Just gonna leave some spray paint. Just gonna do that. Just gonna mess around and drive off into the distance. Whew. Alright. Then I guess we continue. Go. Alright. What is this? What is this? Alright, just gonna jump down here. Ow, bit of full damage. Not great. Alright, old building problem is done. Gas bill, no. Gas bill has just dropped on the floor. Honestly, I'm not sure we can make it through the month. Are you getting any requests? At this point, we pretty much have to accept anything. Be creative. Hugs. Mum. Oh, so that's how it started, and an investigation. Ugh, what a morning. Shouldn't have taken that job. I knew something wasn't right. That building was under cultural heritage protection, and the demolition is now part of a criminal investigation. Miss Teardown at the police just sent me this photo. They must have caught you on a traffic camera heading towards the mall. The very last thing we need right now is an investigation. I tried sweet-talking her, and she thought she could get the case dropped, but I asked for a favor in return. I don't know what she wants, but just do it. She'll email you directly. Then this is the favor. Just so you know, I don't usually do this, but I'm stuck on a case, and I feel like I should try something new. I've been investigating Lawrence Lee Jr. over tax evasion for months now, and he has so many friends in town that I can't get a warrant. How about you use your quote-unquote skills to quote-unquote borrow the computers off of our Lee chemicals so that I can finally access his customer registry and sort this mess out. If you do this for me, I'll make sure your little blunder shall be forgotten. Ooh, next mission. Alright. The Lee computers. I've not played this one. Well, say bye-bye to the slime. Open the gates. So what am I trying to go for here? That, my friends, is how you open a door. Wait, tap to... Alright, your escape. Oh wait, no, so the white is my position. The green is escape vehicle, primary target's office. Same level, and then, where's the other one? Down there. Oh, nice. Wait, so where? Alright, it's in this building. Got it. Must be logs. Nothing I can't fix. I'm a professional locksmith. Yeah, that should work. Yeah, no thanks, and bye-bye. I love this sledgehammer so much. Right, so where is this thing? Grab valuable. Alright. Ooh, it's highlighted. Pick up target. Just gonna... Wait, so where's the other one? Security. Large fires will trigger the alarm. Alright, so I basically can't use the, what's it called? The, high explosive. Oh no, okay. Yep, this works. I'm just gonna excavate the building. Alright, so where's this next one? It's in that safe house. Alright, got it. This is totally safe. Demolition expertise. Drive vehicle. Oh, I have a little, like, arm now. I'm just gonna... oh no. This thing's fast. Wow. Wait, so where's the thing? Oh, it's on the other side. Okay. Oh, it's in there. Oh, that's smart. Wait, so this is what this is for, I'm guessing. Oh no, oh no, I'm stuck. What, oh no. Grab valuable. Nice. Oh, this should definitely work. Yeah, this should definitely work. Grab valuable, yep, thank you. This is nice. Alright, oh, nope. Destroyed something. That's my job. Alright, how would one... No, wait, can I get up here? Oh, destroyed like an oil tanker looking thing. Wait, can I like rotate this? Hold on, I could be able to make a staircase if I get a bit crafty. Oh, oh no, it's stuck. Oh no. I just broke the floor wood. Okay. Wait, so if I climb up, wait, no. Oh, trash can, perfect. Heck this rabbit. Okay, there goes my trash can. Oh, there's a valuable in the trash can apparently. That's cool. How would one get up here though? Oh wait, so I can do that, and then I can do that, and then I can do that. Woo! Wait, there's another target? Oh yeah, it's there somewhere. Okay. These look explosive. Could I potentially detonate them? Wait, there's a red car. Alright, well I gotta stick to the mission. So in that little shed, apparently the same level as player. Let's just turn this around real quick. And we're going to do a little demolition mission. I like that. Woo. Demolition mission deemed successful. No. Alright. Well, got the valuable, got the target. And now I should probably head to the escape vehicle. Just gonna destroy the company board because it's not of importance, and let's go. Just vibing to the music. Anyway, I hope that gives you a good taste of the game, and if you guys want, I can play more of this game if you enjoy the content that I create. So thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.